Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Now, can I ask you, what's holding you back? What's stopping the dreams from even happening and coming true? What can I do to help you? Can you and me work together to get this journey of yours on the road? Drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon, but first, here is today's quote. You were born to do more than just go to work, pay bills, and die. There must be more to life than this, right? You wake up feeling crappy, you go to work in a job that you hate. You go home and you sit in front of the TV for the rest of the evening until bedtime before it starts all over again the next day. But it doesn't need to be like this. Find your passion, what you really like to do, and chase that in your day. If you can find some way of working alongside what you love, it will never feel like work again.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.